Get him, Bob, get him. He's foul hooked like a big dog.
Oh my God.
Go ahead, Johnny. There he is. Good job, girl. Andy just put her first king in the boat. Okay, hang on. I'm just going to get this rod out of the way. Oh, cool, look. Oh, shit.
You get that son of a bitch.
Oh yeah, that's definitely a tiger. I see a stripe there.
Yep.
Look at that motherfucker. Come here, little sharky. I got your ass. I got your ass. I got your ass. There he is. Oh, you pissed him off, Bob. God damn it, you pissed him off. Tuna.
Tuna.
That's tuna. Yeah. Tuna.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, blackfin. I thought it hit funny. We'll put a little more on it. Oh yeah, you eat good. Eating good in the neighborhood. That's a citation. Come on, Mike. Reel. No, I can't reel. I can't reel. Come on, back. No, hit that motherfucker. Come on. I don't know one to miss it. Okay.
Go back out.
right?
Hey.
And he's swallowed all the way in.
Go.
Let me see them pliers. They're right beside you here. The other side.
That was my first tuna.
Is it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Good job, Todd. Sorry, Bach. I was getting excited.
You want to hold, Ty?
Huh?
You want to hold it? I got the GoPro on. It'll be
I
quick.
don't think we're getting them hooks out. They're buried.
Get them out.
I can't. They're too far down.
Swallowed them.
Yeah, no, he swallowed all the way.
Just make sure there's no shot.
Hold it back.
Smile.
Hold him like this with the camera.
Look at me. And you're good.
Huh? That's fine. Good.
That's a big ass amberjack.
Holy shit.
What I say?
Pull him, Tyler.
Watch the hooks.
Get up
Watch
here,
the
Mandy.
hooks.
Huh?
Give me those needle nose right behind you.
Nose.
Hold him right where you got it,
That's a
Tyler.
big old jack.
That's what I said.
That's a big son of a bitch right there.
Nice one. Huh?
Yep.
Huge. Whatever he's making, no little. That's it. Come on.
Hey, Boggy,
Yeah. All right, you're good. We got.
No, not yet, not yet. Not yet.
Hey, man. Don't chase him.
Okay.
Sorry. It's okay.
Come on there.
Got it.
Nice job.
Yeah.
Got it, King.
Still a tiny one. No, he's free. He's free.
What
No,
happened?
No, he's not. He's not.
Not
He's got
yet.
one hook. He's got one, not two hooks.
Don't look away from
Okay, okay, good.
I got his tail. I got his tail.
Careful. Careful. Get him, Doc. Get him, Bach. Get him, Bach.
Back boo!
Oh, my.
Fuck! Boo!
That's what I'm talking about.
And no hooks! And no hooks!
Oh, shit. There ain't even hooks in them.
No, that's what I said. And no hooks.
That's... Wow.
Wow! High five!
Oh,
Good job, Ty!
Appreciate it.
Huh? That's the nice guy, huh?
Yeah!
Before the eagle around.
I knew that was a big king. Oh, that's a nice fish, guys. That's a big, nice. Oh, shit, yeah.
That's as big as the big one we got.
Underneath.
No, it's okay. Hang on. You go the other side. Yeah, he's underneath, right here.
Oh, that's a nice fish. That is a real nice fish,
That is a
Tyler.
nice fish.
Oh, shit.
Get him.
Woo! Get him in, get him in.
Watch.
You need some drag.
Get him away from me, Tyler.
I got him. It's okay.
Pliers.
Yeah, nice, huh? It's okay. And what I say, you
That's the same size as the other one?
It is. It's about the same size as the other one.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, it is.
We have two to weigh in, buddy. No, that's
Yeah, we got
That's
two
a
big ones
20.
to weigh. Yeah.
No, just let it go.
Now
I've never seen four of them fly like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I think I got him.
They say it look like that.
You want him, Bach?
Can I gap it?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, gas. Bach wants it.
Good practice.
I've never seen one, so this is awesome. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah.
God damn, that was pretty good for my first try.
Good gaff shot, dude. Perfect.
Ty,
Show them the code.
hold it up.
The code.
This one's ready to go. Go a long way.
Nice.
You like that big stinky thing? Doc does.
That's a pretty decent size.
Bring them up, don't let them loose. He fought pretty good though.
Yeah, he's foul hooked.
No, I have two hooks. One he hit mount, one hit outside. Okay.
Look, do it now. Do it.
Yeah, I did. I wasn't super close to him, so not too bad.
You want some other one?
Alright, bye.
Right there. You want me to do it?
I got it.
Okay. Did you get any on there?
I think so. It was hard to see, but
Yeah, well, get it right when the gas would hit it. Oh.
Running.
Oh, you going? Going again?
oh, he's right there.
I'm right. Nice size fish.
Hey, he's biting a little better. Oh, there you go.
It's like he can't make up his mind.
This is why those guys have those big gaps.
Is that an amberjack?
Yeah, that's a jack. That's an amberjack.
Look behind it. That was a cobia. There's a cobia right behind that fucking fish.
Get a bait in the water. Get a bait in the water.
Good bait?
Get a bait in the water.
Bait in the water?
Seen amberjacks go on the surface like that?
Yeah, I think so.
That thing came back like 3 times for that bait. But it is fighting like that last amber. You're good. Hold it.
Come on, Andy. It's a big bluegill.